Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now visiting Dharanpuram, a reserved assembly constituency there in Tamil Nadu. In fact, BJP's state president L. Murugan is contesting from that seat. Though Murugan has contested thrice before in Tamil Nadu elections, this is the first time that he'll be contesting after taking over as the president of Tamil Nadu BJP. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to be descending in his constituency.
Dharampuram, a reserved assembly segment in Tamil Nadu, is eagerly waiting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's first visit to the constituency. Tamil Nadu BJP President L. Murugan is contesting from the seat that has a sizable scheduled caste presence. Murugan has contested thrice, but this is the first time he is in the poll race after becoming the BJP's state unit president. India Today accompanied Murugan on his campaign trail as he canvassed through the rugged roads of Mulanur in Dharampuram South Zone.
My exam, so I am going to write my 10th exam. So I don't have any fear, but I want to win. So my candidates are all very good candidates. They are all working hard. My team is very good team. My national team is supporting us, and our alliance are supporting, PMK supporting, and our ADMK main partner, they are supporting very well in the ground level. So definitely we are going to win in this election.
Murugan take pit stops to meet the elder members of the community. At Sembankarai, the 49th in the list of 83 locations that Murugan is visiting, a large group of elders had assembled. They were excited about Prime Minister Modi's upcoming visit. Dharampuram is a very underdeveloped area. While neighbouring regions like Coimbatore and Tirupur have had significant growth, this reserved constituency is still waiting for progress.
People are thinking I am the state president. That's why they are having faith on me. At any cost, he will be do this work, and he is the right person for the development that people are thinking.
Murugan will be battling out against a new face from the DMK, Khairvi Selvaraj. At present, Dharampur has a Congress MLA.
Our main motto, the DMK should not become at any point should not become again, because the people are fearing if DMK comes again, they may do the land grabbing. They don't respect the ladies. They don't respect the Tamil gods. They don't respect the Tamil. They are anti-Tamil. They are anti people. That's why we are aligned with ADMK and we are going ahead.
The BJP is hoping that the AIA-DMK alliance will help play a major role in changing the tide in Murugan's favour.
People of Dharapuram, you can hear them clap as soon as Murugan ji finished talking. So you know the kind of response that people are giving the BJP here is immense. Yes, the hopes are high that in the upcoming elections with the BJP in the centre, there will be a lot of good deeds that the BJP might be able to do for the people here. We can see even every spot that we visited, there has been a good response rate. But will this response convert into votes? That is something that we'll have to wait and watch. That is the biggest testing ground for the BJP. With camera person Daniel from Dharapuram, this is Akshay Nath for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.